Hello everyone. I present a proposed solution to improve the accessibility of public transportation for the visually impaired in the metropolitan area of Barranquilla with IoT by Juan Bossa. Okay, the introduction. Well, uh, the visually impaired is a major barrier to the safe use of public transportation. Our proposed solution is based on IoT technology, smartphone and cloud technologies to improve the technological conditions of the public transport in Barranquilla. The requirements. Our proposed solution has three key requirements. First, we will use IoT technology to detect the presence of visually impaired people in public transportation stations and vehicles. Second, the solution will be based on a mobile application that will allow visual impaired people to obtain real-time information about public transportation. This application will also allow users to request additional assistance if they need it. Third, we will use cloud technologies to store and process data obtained from sensors and other IoT devices. This is my proposed solution. The proposed solution consists of several parts. Yes. Well, first, sensors and other IoT devices will be installed in public transportation stations and vehicles to detect the presence of visually impaired people. Then, a centralized control systems will be implemented to process the data in real time and provide useful information to the station staff and vehicle drivers. Modifications. The second statement. Modifications will also be made to public transport stations and vehicles to improve accessibility for the visually impaired. For example, ramps, braille signage, and adaptive seating will be installed on vehicles. Audio announcements will also provided to indicate the vehicle location and the status of the vehicle. In addition, a mobile application will be developed to provide real-time information to the visual impaired. Users will be able to see the location and route of the vehicles in real time, know the estimated time of arrival and the station conditions. They will also be able to request additional assistance if needed. To ensure that our approach is effective and sustainable, appropriate training of station and vehicle personnel will be able conducted. Ongoing evaluation of the solutions will also be conducted to identify opportunities for the improvement, and we will collaborate with civil society organizations to obtain feedback from users to ensure that the solution meets the real needs of visually impaired people. These are the fundamental devices in the proposed solutions. First, we have the IoT sensors that capture the proximity of the people and ultrasonic sensors that determine the distance and which the buses are located from the stations. Secondly, we have the smartphones who through an app that works with the databases in the cloud, receives real time data from the sensors and set the notifications to users with voice notes generated by AI. And finally, we have the devices that operates all the information from other devices. This is the cloud-based technologies like Dockers. Well, in summary, our proposed solution uses cutting-edge technology to improve the accessibility of public transportation for visually people in Barranquilla. We believe, well, I believe this can significantly improve the mobility and autonomy of these people in their daily lives and ensure that they have access to the same rights as the rest of the population. Well, thanks for your attention.